Hello friends, today we will be studying The Man of Mode or Sir Flutter by George Etherege. This play was published in 1676. George Etherege is said to be the one who started Comedy of Manners. Comedy of Manners focuses on the manners or the way the people from upper class behaved during the Restoration Age. With Comedy of Manners, we have themes like love, marriage. We will have number of secret plots and all. So in this play also, among the characters, everything will be visible. So the first and the main character that we have is Dorimant. Okay, so Dorimant has friends, and among them, two of the friends are Medley and young Belair. Then in the beginning itself we find that Dorimant had a lover, okay, Mrs. Lovett. But he wants to get rid of Mrs. Lovett and he is now in secret affair with the friend of Mrs. Lovett, that is Belinda. Okay, so secret affair with Belinda and he wants to get rid of Mrs. Lovett. Then next we have secret affair with Belinda, and finally towards the end he will be falling in love and even he will get married to Harriet. Okay, so this is the relation of three lady characters with our main character Dorimant. Next, his friend young Belair. He is in love with Emilia and he wants to get married to Emilia, but the twist here is his father, old Belair wants young Belair to get married to Harriet. Okay. It is according to the father, he has to get married to Harriet. If he does not marry according to his father's will, he will be disinherited. Then we have another character, that is Harriet's mother. Harriet's mother, Lady Woodville, does not like Dorimant because of his character, the way he has been defamed in the town. So Dorimant, in order to impress Lady Woodville, he takes the disguise of Mr. Cottage, which is liked by Lady Woodville, and towards the end we will observe that Lady Woodville forgives Dorimant and finally the marriage of Harriet and Dorimant begets successful. At a point of time, we will also observe how young Belair and Harriet, they have to pretend that they are in love. Okay, they have to just pretend in front of their parents, that is Lady Woodville and old Belair. And another twist that we have is old Belair also loves Emilia, but this is just one-sided love. Okay, since Emilia loves young Belair and they are the ones who get married. And we find that they get secretly married in the play. Okay, so the play is slowly progressing towards the marriages of Dorimant and Harriet and young Belair and Emilia. And Dorimant uses Sir Flutter in order to get rid of Mrs. Lovett. He tries to create a scene in which it would appear as though Sir Fopling and Mrs. Lovett are in love, and he will use that excuse to leave Mrs. Lovett. But on the contrary, Mrs. Lovett takes advantage of the situation and she acts as though she herself is in love with Sir Flutter, and that way she tries to make Dorimant jealous. Okay, so as I told you, in Comedy of Manners we have stock characters also. I didn't mention that earlier. We have stock characters like Sir Flutter, a fop. Okay, fop is someone who is trying to show off his clothing and all. And throughout the play, we will observe that since he has come from France, he talks about his France, the various clothing styles of France. So this is a short summary of the Man of Mode, and this is one of the best examples of comedy of manners. So the play is not that difficult to read. I have just helped you with the characters. The main characters are here, and through these characters only you will be able to understand the play better. With this, thank you for listening patiently. I hope this video is helping you. Thank you.